Welcome to Pebble Beach, home of a stunning golf course, spectacular views, and this, the famed 17-mile drive. It's here that I'll give you a closer look at the 5th generation RX. It's been completely redesigned from the ground up and offers our latest technologies focused on giving you, the driver, the full Lexus Driving Signature experience. So, let's have a look. Let's begin our review of this Lexus Next Chapter design from the front. With the RX, we see the iconic Lexus spindle grille has evolved into a powerful spindle body. The body color extends to the Lexus emblem, yielding a seamless fusion between body and grille while expressing strength and a low center of gravity. In the side view, the designers have pushed back the A-pillar to emphasize the longer hood and bolt stance, and the shape of the rear flare invokes the power of the rear motor. With the new platform, 8-inch wide wheels in 19 or 21-inch diameter move more to the corners, providing a longer wheelbase and a wider track. Stepping to the rear is another athletic look. Designers chopped overhang and lowered the belt line, making the rear proportions even sportier. The rear hatch inherits the signature L-shaped LED light bar with lenses that wrap around to emphasize a wider, more powerful silhouette. RX aerodynamics are also improved. Airflow around the front is optimized to lower the coefficient of drag and provide excellent brake cooling performance. Underneath, the dimpled engine cover enhances the sense of ground contact and improves high-speed stability. On the side, belt line moldings sit flush with the body panels to better manage airflow, thus improving handling and performance. Sculpted side fins and rear lamps are designed with optimal airflow in mind. In the rear, there's a new portal-shaped spoiler to suppress turbulence up top and airflow regulating fins on the lower bumper, both cutting drag and improving stability. Better aerodynamics means better handling and control as part of the Lexus Driving Signature experience. While we're back here, let's pop the hatch. The lower loading height improves usability and provides a cargo capacity that can easily hold 4 suitcases. Because I have a digital key on my phone, I can open and start the vehicle with just this. No need to carry a key fob. Pretty cool, right? You can share your digital key with up to 7 additional users. Now, let's head inside. RX's cabin isn't just a place to sit and drive. It's an environment designed for a Lexus Driving Signature experience. To achieve this, designers use the Tazuna concept as their foundation. Tazuna is Japanese for horse reins, so everything within this space is focused on a meaningful connection between human and machine. This is key to the Lexus Driving Signature, which blends human input with direct mechanical reaction in all driving scenarios. You may first notice this massive 14-inch touchscreen in front of me. It's easy to reach and lets me adjust the Mark Levinson premium surround sound, navigation, safety systems, and climate control. Looking forward, I have a clear field of vision and can refer to the information offered by the large, colored head-up display. Doors and seats have an L pattern embossing, which is all new to Lexus and gives the space a 3-dimensional look. In the rear, available power folding seats can be controlled from the seat switch, a button in the cargo area, or from the multimedia screen. And a first for the RX is ventilated rear seats to keep passengers comfortable on a warm day. The available panoramic roof brightens up the cabin during the day and allows stargazing at night. Speaking of nighttime, the space really comes to life by selecting one of 14 colored illumination themes to match your mood. If you're looking for more convenience and less hassle when using your mobile device, the RX can be equipped with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. These wireless versions are just as responsive and intuitive as its wired counterpart. 2 USB Type-C ports are located below the vent area, with 1 USB Type-C, 1 Type-A, and an optional wireless charging dock located in the storage box below. There are 2 USB ports and rear passenger climate controls on the rear of the center console as well. With thoughtful interior space using the highest quality materials, RX provides an open and captivating atmosphere.
The all-new RX is packed with innovations, making luxury more personal. From new powertrains to the lighter, more rigid GAK platform, the RX is engineered to enable clear communication between the road and the driver. The RX offers 4 new powertrains depending on the market. Introducing a new dimension to the Lexus Electrified range is the performance model's 2.4-liter turbocharged HEV with DIRECT4. This powertrain transmits large torque from the turbo engine directly to the tires, while the rhythmic shifts of the 6-speed automatic transmission serve up pleasurable driving. Performance is also delivered by the 64-kilowatt motor in the front transaxle and the 76-kilowatt e-axle in the rear. The clutch system allows engine and motor to work separately or as an integrated whole to deliver powerful and responsive acceleration, making for the best-performing RX ever. The new DIRECT4 hybrid system seamlessly integrates the front transaxle components with the rear e-axle to supply power to 4 wheels. Precise all-wheel drive control maximizes front and rear grip, while controlling posture to achieve a direct, torque-filled, exhilarating driving experience with impressive fuel efficiency. The new RX uses an enhanced GAK platform. The center of gravity has been lowered by 15 millimeters compared to the predecessor thanks to reduced weight and the lower floor. While keeping the overall length as the former model, the wheelbase is extended 60 millimeters longer and the tread is widened by 15 millimeters in the front and 45 millimeters in the rear, resulting in a package that reduces the yaw moment of inertia. The RX's GAK platform affords a thoroughly revised suspension with optimized geometry for improved handling and response. Refined suspension arms and bushings absorb both high-frequency vibrations and shocks from the road, yielding confident linear handling. At the rear, a new 5-arm multi-link setup effectively transmits drive force to the road surface, with a more compact design that yields added space for the cabin area. The shock absorber's new tilt angle reduces suspension friction, improves ride comfort, and overall performance. The system minimizes squat during acceleration or braking, with optimized absorbers and bushings. The GAK platform and body possess key updates as well. A rigid, high-torsion rear body frame is used to firmly support suspension input during vehicle acceleration, deceleration, and steering. In addition, the rear suspension and its member mounting points have been highly reinforced. When joining the frame, short-pitch welding techniques are employed to increase joint strength, in addition to laser screw welding and structural adhesives, which expand the bonding area, including to the underbody. These enhanced rigidity measures throughout the platform enable higher suspension performance as well for spirited driving. Overall, the new RX is 90 kilograms lighter than its predecessor. The vehicle frame and body panels use super high tensile strength material and hot stamp material. These factors, as well as revisions to the structural design, reduce weight while retaining safety protection and rigidity. From first generation to the fifth, RX has been the luxury crossover all others seek to emulate. Now, more than ever, it empowers users with a human-centered driving experience and performance, invigorated with cutting-edge electrification technology.
The new RX owes much of its dynamic personality to its new powertrain lineup. It offers a diverse lineup of powertrains to meet the needs of diversifying customers and its carbon neutrality goals. 4 powertrains are available around the world, depending on market specifications, and 3 of the 4 are members of the Lexus Electrified portfolio. At the top end, RX is powered by a newly developed 2.4-liter turbocharged HEV DIRECT4 with Lexus's new electrification technology. The hybrid matches the 2.4-liter turbo with a front unit housing a 6-speed automatic transmission, power control unit, and motor, and at the rear is an e-axle. The DIRECT4 system precisely controls the driving force of all 4 wheels at all times, maximizing traction regardless of road surface or driving conditions. Making the driving experience even more visceral, the RX actively manages cabin sounds with ASC to maximize pleasure. New to the RX family is the plug-in hybrid powertrain. Combines a naturally aspirated 2.5-liter 4-cylinder with a high-capacity lithium-ion battery pack placed below the floor. The battery utilizes a new cooling system to improve performance. The motor-driven E4 all-wheel drive system precisely controls torque to offer linear and powerful acceleration. Drivers keen on EV mode operation will appreciate the driving performance and a longer drive distance offered by the battery's increased capacity. The RX's hybrid powertrain is redesigned and pairs a highly efficient 2.5-liter 4-cylinder with a high-output front motor. The 4-cylinder improves RX's fuel economy compared to the previous V6. Front-wheel drive and all-wheel drive with E4 are available depending on the market. As with each of the hybrid models, the engine and motor work together to provide a smooth and direct acceleration, consistent cruising vehicle speeds, and predictable deceleration. The final member of the RX lineup is a 2.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, delivering high torque and dynamic driving experience. It melds superior fuel economy with low emissions thanks to its efficient center injection system. Available front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive enables highly predictable driving. And par for the course is the Lexus's quiet cabin, thanks to its extensive tuning and active noise control systems. RX's lineup of available powertrains is as diverse as the guests they'll serve around the world. No matter the means of motivation, the new RX ensures that even in a sea of crossovers, luxury, dynamic performance, and the sheer joy of driving will never be lost.
Since its debut in 1998, the RX has been one of the world's most popular crossovers. It's got it all: roominess, comfort, capability, and luxury. The all-new RX F Sport delivers dynamics as well, as part of the Lexus Driving Signature vision. Whether you drive through the city or down twisting country roads, you'll immediately feel a responsive and sporty ride worthy of the F Sport badge. One of the first things to notice is the clear and direct steering, thanks to an all-new platform and adaptive variable suspension. ABS is tuned for sharp responsiveness and actively controls body pitch and roll based on the selected drive mode and driving conditions. 4 drive modes are available via the multimedia touchscreen, including Sport mode, which provides a dynamic driving experience. Smooth acceleration is matched with seamless braking. The 400mm brake discs feel robust and quickly curb speed on demand. Precise control is just one part of the Lexus Driving Signature. Engineers and designers work closely to deliver exciting F-Sport design in parallel with the Lexus Driving Signature experience. To increase straight line stability, the edge of the front bumper is shaped to generate downforce, while the distinct air intakes direct and regulate airflow through the bumper. The frame around the grille is removed for F-Sport, while unique color accents and mesh design provide a sportier feel. Up top, you'll notice black roof rails to complement other dark accents throughout the vehicle. From the side, we can see F-Sport badging and unique 21-inch aluminum wheels. The opposed 6-piston aluminum monoblock calipers provide a smooth braking feel and add to the sporty appearance. At the rear, the bumper is all F-Sport too. Like the front, it's as aerodynamic as possible. Airflow regulating fins and an exclusive F-Sport bumper shape push air out and away from the RX to increase stability and handling. Sitting inside the RX is a real treat. The unique front seats include ultra suede side material and provide ample cushioning and support. The front headrests have a distinct F-Sport logo embossed, creating a sense of depth. 2 sporty and modern interior colors are available: dark rose and black. The inside is accented by aluminum trims near the gear shift, scuff plate, and pedals. F-Sport's unique trades also include an exclusive steering wheel and meter display, while dimpled leather trims the gear shift and steering wheel. The RX F-Sport is an excellent representation of the Lexus Driving Signature. It's responsive, instills confidence, and establishes a joyful human-to-machine connection in every driving scenario.
This year, the F-Sport range increases with an all-new F-Sport Performance. Now, this performance model redefines the meaning of F-Sport with its all-new powertrain, featuring a 2.4-liter turbocharged HEV DIRECT4 system. It also has an all-new dynamic rear steering that steers the rear wheels up to 4 degrees, enhancing stability and maneuverability. And at low speeds, like in a parking lot, the rear wheels will turn in the opposite direction of the front. The F-Sport Performance has a rear-mounted, high-output e-axle motor. Precise DIRECT4 control maximizes the grip of all 4 wheels, while also providing posture control to achieve a direct torque-filled and sportier drive. This RX F-Sport Performance with Lexus Driving Signature is hands down the best performing RX ever. It's easy to spot the F-Sport Performance at a glance. It has body-colored front and rear lower bumpers, moldings under the door to give it that low center of gravity. Black stainless steel moldings enhance the window design, and the exterior badging and mirrors receives a darker finish. The F-Sport Performance offers an exclusive 21-inch wheel wrapped in a dedicated tire. It really gives this car a sophisticated and sporty look. I promise you that the F-Sport Performance is an exciting experience and will bring enjoyment to all its drivers.
Paradigms rarely shift in the automotive world, and it's even rarer to create them. But in 1998, Lexus did the latter and introduced the all-new RX350, the world's first luxury crossover. With the nimbleness of a car and the usefulness of an SUV, RX quickly became a global sales success. Its V6 powertrain, available all-wheel drive system, and commendable comfort impressed buyers and media the world over. 6 years later, in 2004, a redesigned second generation arrived. RX now had a 5-speed automatic and, depending on the market, could be specified with an electronically controlled air suspension on 4-wheel drive models. In 2005, the RX range welcomed the world's first luxury hybrid SUV, RX 400h, powered by an all-new Lexus hybrid Synergy drive. A third generation hit global showrooms in 2008. Its petrol drivetrain introduced a transmission with a torque converter that could lock up from 2nd through 6th gears. This improved fuel economy, while the new double wishbone rear suspension enhanced handling and cargo capacity. RX's modern design gained a new F-Sport model, as well as its first spindle-shaped front grille in 2012 during a mild refresh, a look that would persevere throughout the model's lifespan. 2015 marked the world debut year of the 4th generation, with its daring exterior design language having dynamic folds and creases, a powerful V6, first-rate Takumi craftsmanship, and available front or all-wheel drive configurations. The RX remained the epitome of versatility within the mid-size luxury crossover vehicle segment. RX offered superior on-road performance and new safety technologies, including the innovative Lexus Safety System Plus. Guests wanting more athleticism could opt for the F Sport model. It was distinct with its mesh-style spindle grille, unique interior appointments, and sportier handling. Even as that RX debuted, engineers and designers were already busy planning what would become the most advanced RX to date. Their work took place around the world, including thousands of test miles at the new Shimoyama Technical Center. In 2022, global markets welcomed the 5th generation RX. It utilizes an all-new platform and is powered by a choice of 4 powertrains. With a longer wheelbase and lower center of gravity, driving dynamics are vastly improved. An arresting spindle body exterior matches its stunning performance. Flared, well-proportioned surfaces express a dynamic identity. Inside, the Tazuna-inspired cabin offers amazing comfort and high technology. The F Sport grade adds unique design elements and performance tuning, turning up the visual excitement. The original RX created a new paradigm, and it has led its segment ever since. Now, RX again pushes into the future era, a key part of the Lexus Electrified vision. The RX, with its diverse lineup of powertrains and features, emphasizes a human-centered spirit, a carbon-neutral focus, and a user experience that inspires lifelong memories.